So the foundation has kind of got this big hole in it, and it's kind of been kind of falling in here. And when they put this, I mean, I don't know, this plywood wall here, I think they had to mess around with the septic line going out. And then also I got this like under the, kind of caving in down here. You can see there's a hole, but they already have like this plywood. They didn't pour concrete back where they put this plywood. So I'm gonna, essentially they already have like a wall formed up for me here, but I'm just gonna make it a little wider over here. And then this is what it looks like outside here. So the septic line kind of comes out about right here, goes like that, right there, and goes out to the septic tank. But essentially I'm just going to be digging this whole area up just to be able to get down to the foundation there, so I can just put a wall right there, stem wall, and then pour from the inside of the house. So yep, that's what I got.
God to those who are called.
This is what it is.
You've been called according to his divine
That was all
purpose.
kind of crumbling in, and then this
from before the foundation of the world, then everything
is how they had it framed up.
Moving in the direction of the fulfillment of God's
instead
purpose,
of
which is to make
pouring
you
concrete. So they poured a little mud right there, but they didn't do the rest.
He goes on,
That's
for
just
those
what's
who
behind
he
here too.
foreknew, that is, not that he looked ahead and saw what was going to happen, but predetermined to have a intimate relationship. No means like
That's what it looks like in here outside.
came to his wife and she bore a son.
So we'll patch it up.
God has this predetermined intimate knowledge for me to figure out how to get there.
I got the outside forms put up,
I was very
and I'm just kind of
frustrated
working on the
at
inside
the end of
here.
that. I just couldn't hear myself say the same thing one more time.
Rebar in.
It doesn't lend itself to the disciplined study that I wanted so desperately.
Kind of going down this
I told
way.
him I just need to go pastor a church. That's what I want to do. Two churches talked to me a little bit, said I was too young.
Getting there. So that's how I'm doing it. I'll mix it up. Mix it up. Pour it down in there. Filling that void. I don't have a vibrator, so I just take my hammer drill with a piece of board and just hammer on it like that. So I'll go put it up on this area right here. There's the results. Didn't turn out bad at all, really. I'm quite pleased with it. Quite pleased with it. Go inside and take a look. But yeah, the septic line comes out, and then it kind of goes down to the septic tank somewhere over there. Yeah, not bad. Got kind of thin right here because it's that wall right here, and it's only about, I don't know, 3 inches thick or so. It was more just to keep this old wall in place. But yeah, I remember my pipe when I was pushing it down, I was hitting these rocks right here, but yeah, smooth. You can see it kind of bowed out. Yeah, not bad. You can see a little bow in it right there. Right here. Started to bow out a little on me, but didn't pop out, so that's what I wanted. Cool. Foundation repair is done.